Next, Gaurangi will present the Abhanga, Maze Mahera Pandari, a beautiful devotional piece written by Sant Eknath from Maharashtra. It is presented in Raga, Mishra Mad and Tal Bhajani. Abhangs are a sublime form of Indian music which originated in the Bhakti traditions in Maharashtra. These are simple compositions in Marathi sung in praise of Lord Krishna, who appeared in Pandharpur, a village on the banks of the river Bhima, in Maharashtra. Lord Krishna came specially to visit his dear devotee Pundarik. When Krishna appeared in Pundarik's house, Pundarik was massaging his parents' feet. He was overjoyed to see the Lord, but he begged forgiveness for not being able to receive the Lord properly as he was serving his parents. Pundarik offered the Lord a brick to sit on while he finished serving his parents. A brick in Marathi is called a beat. Hence the Lord who appeared before Pundarik is called Vitthal, or lovingly referred to as Vithoba. Eknath Maharaj, in complete surrender to Lord Janardana, says that Pandari or Pandharpur, which lies on the banks of river Bhima, is where Mahera, my parental home, where my parents Vitthal and Raghu live. The glorious Bhakta Pundarik is my brother, and the river Chandrabhaga is my compassionate sister. As Eknath Maharaj sings these verses, he feels intense separation from this family. The choreography for this piece was thoughtfully crafted by Guru Nitya Lakshmi Iyer, who masterfully adapted Bharatanatyam techniques to convey the essence of the Abhanga. The intricate footwork and lyrical movements are designed to echo the sentiments expressed in the devotional lyrics, enhancing the overall emotional impact of the performance. Abhanga Maze Mahera Pandari. तरी माहेरची आठवण एका जनार्दनी शरण तरी माहेरची आठवण तरी माहेरची आठवण माझे माहेर वंदे माझे माहेर वंदे आहे देवरी छाती आहे देवरी छाती माझे माहेर माझे माहेर माझे माहेर वंदे आहे देवरी छाती विठ्ठल 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 Wonderful performance, Gaurangi. You transported us to Pandharpur. Your portrayal of Vithoba through Maze Mahera Pandari was an awesome blend of devotion and artistry.